Hey, I hope your day is going great. Hey guys, this is Mr. Lauder, 4th grade teacher here, coming at you from the classroom. It's not all the way set up yet for phase 2, but we're gonna get there soon. I'm coming here to discuss with you right now what is gonna be offered in your family math night packet. Those of you that come out to join us for our trunk or treat slash math night, you're gonna have a really cool pack of all different kinds of math games and things like that. So stay tuned. All right, 4th grade, one of the cool things that comes with your pack that you're getting today is this game called Elapsed Time Taxi. Here are the directions for the game, okay? It says number of players, 2 to 4. The object is to use your knowledge of addition, subtraction, and time to find elapsed time. All the materials have been included, okay? You have your directions right here. You have your game board. These cards come in a nice hard plastic case. I already got them out. You place in your elapsed time cards right here on the middle of your game board. You're going to have your spinner. This is going to be what determines how far you move, okay? So you'd pull a card. It says, Maria's taxi picked her up to go to the concert at 4:30 p.m. She arrived at the concert at 7 p.m. How long was the ride? So we have different, some of you may be able to answer this, in your head or count up in your head. We also have a elapsed time ruler to help you out, okay, counting ahead. However, what you would do was once you got that, you'd answer it. Let me see, I say 4:30. 5:30 is 1 hour, 6:30 is another hour. If I go another whole hour, that would be too much, so 6:30 to 7 is a half an hour. So I would say that's 2.5 hours. Let's see if I'm correct. Yep, 2 hours and 30 minutes, good. So I got that correct. So what I would do now is I have my game piece right here on start and finish. I would spin the spinner. Okay. And it says 4 hours, so I can move it ahead 4 hours. So that's 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that card gets left over here. Now it would be the next person's turn to go. All right, so you would just keep on repeating that, and obviously, if it tells you to take an extra turn, let's say eventually I land up down here on 2 p.m. It says fill up with gas, take an extra turn. I can actually take an extra turn and move my piece further ahead. All right, so this is just a little fun board game that you can play, and it helps you out with your elapsed time. You have all different kinds of tools to work with, and I hope you guys enjoy playing. All right, guys, your family math packet comes with other things as well. One of the coolest things that they have in here is, I know math facts are a little bit difficult for some of you to do. We have this slide and learn multiplication grid, all right? And if you check it out, you can easily tell your facts just by doing this. If you want to know your 5's facts, 5 times 7 equals 35. I know 5s, most of you probably can skip count by 5s, so that's not something that you really need to do. So maybe 7s are difficult for you. You can slide it down to the 7's facts right here. Make sure it's nice and even. And you can see 7 times 11, 77. 7 times 9, 63. A cool little tool for you guys to use. Now, there are also included with this all kinds of different games. Please make sure you read the directions with these games, because some of them are actually really cool. Almost all of them require you to use one of these arrows right here. And what you can do, I will show you. Looking at these arrows, you would take an arrow off. Okay. You can punch out the middle with a pencil. If you punch out the middle with a pencil, put the hole right here, put the pencil down, and you can use it as a spinner. Okay. So this is what they're talking about. Each one of these games, you can create your own little spinner. Okay. We have everything from conversion wheels. So this deals with percentages, fractions, decimals, and how they are all equivalent to each other. Pretty cool little game. This game deals with rounding, so rounding to the nearest 10 or not rounding to the nearest 100. This is an array battle, okay, so please read the directions. It's all about different arrays. Ooh, we just talked about this last week, if you've been paying attention in 4th grade. Prime and composite numbers, okay, so a little game with prime and composite numbers. Oh, and this is what we're dealing with now, fractions. So another game with fractions. So all of these really cool games that you guys can use. Now, this is kind of like a big thank you for you guys coming out and enjoying your time to come out and check us out at Mount Hope Nanjemoy during Halloween, or for the Halloween festivities, or if you want to call them, you can call it trunk or treat, you can call it holidays, whatever you want to call it. We really do appreciate you guys coming out, and we miss seeing each and every one of you. So we hope that you guys enjoy some of these math activities, okay? All right, guys. Can't wait to see you guys come back into school. All right, guys, you've listened to me for long enough. Now it's time for you to get playing with the games. All right, guys, enjoy yourselves, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.